Dan, I've just been speaking with Craig Bellamy. He says he's very happy after tonight. So what did you make of it?
Yeah, definitely. I think, we showed, I spoke in the week about implementing how we want to play. We spoke about the June fixtures being a bit of one we wanted to change, and I think we fought well tonight. We ended up, getting the goal at the end, which I think was deserved. I think a draw today was probably deserved. I think in the first half we were a lot better team. They had a couple of chances. A little bit unfortunate conceding the second half, but I thought we controlled the game today. I thought we were really good. It's just pushing on to that next step. But I think we showed everyone what we're capable of today.
Yeah, I think before Lewis Kumas's goal, I think it was around 18 shots, just 2 on target. How good did it feel to get what you deserved in the end, because you had so many chances throughout that game?
Yeah, I think it's a big positive to come out, with the result today. I think for us it was massive coming into this game. We were going to treat this game like any other, and they're a top team. They're a team that's competing in the World Cup, and we were thankful that we got the goal in the end.
And for yourself personally, Dan, I mean, you could have got definitely a couple hitting the woodwork. And I know we had a chat yesterday about how difficult this season has been for you with injuries and everything. But what did you make of your own performance out there tonight?
Yeah, it was. It's always a pleasure to play for Wales and try and give it my all every time I play. And I'm maybe a little bit unfortunate to not get a goal today. I came close, but every time I put on the shirt, it's a very proud moment, and I'll continue to work hard.
And of course, one more game in this window to come now, away to Romania. Again, Bellamy's message has been all week, we need to improve this June window because results just aren't good enough. So is it going to be to go out there and get the win?
Yeah, of course. And I think what showed tonight was, we finished the game with completely different team. Lewis Kumas, obviously, first goal tonight, which is brilliant. Cam Congreve with his debut tonight. I thought everyone that come on today was brilliant, and it shows the trust that the manager has in these young players, and it's so important for the future. But this next game is another important one. It's one we'll take into that September camp.